So murals are actually saved out in something called rooms. For example, on the left side, you can see that I have a room right here, and this is where my murals have been saved out all along. So if you want to, let's say, for example, create out another room so that you can like save another set of murals, then you can go around and click the plus button right here. And what you can do is you can create out a room right here. So in the free version, you have to create a public room that everyone wants to access. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube right here. So this is going to be the room right here, and you can see that the room type right now is open. So if you want to have private rooms, then you can upgrade your plan as well. So I'm just going to go around and say for education right here, just like this, and click on create room. And once you do that, over here on the left side, you can see that this is what you have right here. Here's another room right here. There's another room. You can go around and click on plus, click on create open room right here, just like this. And you can say TutorTube 2, which is going to be another room right here, just like this. And this is an open room. Click on create, and this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can create out rooms inside of Mural. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.